Welcome back to another new video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can delete your existing YouTube channel. In the last video, I have given you full tutorial how you can recover your deleted YouTube channel. Now in this video, if you wanna delete your YouTube channel, how you can do this? First of all, you have to open the any browser. For example, in my case, there's a Chrome browser. I have to click on the youtube.com. When I click on youtube.com, then I will go to my YouTube studio. Okay, you have to click on your profile icon there. On clicking the profile icon, your dashboard will look like this. Then you have to click on Creator Studio. On Creator Studio, you have to see there settings. When you click on settings, then you have to click on channel. Then you have to go to advanced settings. Scroll down, manage YouTube account. You have to click on this. After clicking there, your dashboard will be like this. Then here you can see Google account, view or change your Google account, and there is your YouTube channel. Channel status and features, view advanced settings, add or manage your channel. You have to click there, add or manage your channel. Then you have to click on advanced settings. Here you will see user ID. You can change your user ID. You can change your channel ID. You can move your channel to brand account. If you want to convert your normal YouTube channel into brand account, you can do this from here. But if you want to delete your channel, then you have to click on this. Right, this is a simple and easiest way how you can delete your YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this and you have learned something new. Thank you.